Hey, look, I'm standing in the middle of your TV.
Stop it.
Okay, I will. You don't want to watch Scooby-Doo, do you? Okay. Well, I'm not going to make you. So, tell everybody how you're doing with that little buffalo of yours.
Stop it.
Okay. What are you going to do? Tell Mom?
Stop it.
Well, fine. Okay, well. Let's just see what they're going to say when I tell them you broke the vase.
No, I didn't. Stop it.
You broke the vase, didn't you? You broke the vase, didn't you?
Leave Buffy alone.
Well, Buffy ain't going to be very strong now, is he, huh? Well. Do you want a sugar stick, little boy? You know you like sugar sticks. Okay, I'll get you one. Aren't you scared of them little Freddy Krueger claws? Okay, well go ahead, go in it. I'll get you a little sugar stick. I'll get you one. Well, guess what? Right! Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Well, guess what? Are you my little pizza boy? Well. I'll see you now. Don't be jumping. It's alright, it's just the people of the world. Freddy Krueger's gonna get you. Freddy Krueger's gonna... Oh, look at this, yeah. Woo-hoo. Now look at this. Oh, Freddy Krueger's gonna get you. Freddy Krueger's gonna get you. Yes, he is. Ow! Hurt. Oh, don't worry, little boy. Oh, you can't fit in that little drawer. You get out. You're not hiding. You can't hide from anybody in there. You know. Hey, don't let me tell Mom. Hey, don't.
I will comb your hair.
No. Don't hit me.
I'll get you.
Don't hit me.
I'll get you.
Don't hit me. Ow, the comb hurts. It hurts. Ow. Quit it. Mom. Mom. Tiger Boy's, your little Tiger Boy's being mean. Well, yes, dear, I know he is. Just be nice, okay, Dad?
Better break your underwear.
Okay, son. I know your little brother's being mean. Okay? That don't mean you can do this to me, okay? I've drunk too many booze last night. Just be quiet. How are you doing, little Tiger Boy?
Shut up.
Oh dear. Let me scratch your head since you're such a tiger. Come on, Tiger. I just want to scratch your head. Come on, little brother. Ow! He has his buffalo. You're gonna hurt me and Fluffy. Ow, my dog. Quit it. I'll quit. Hey, don't worry. You're hurting Fluffy. Fluffy's gonna die. Fluffy's gonna get flushed down the toilet.
No.
This is Fluffy. See Fluffy? Fluffy's gonna get flushed. Yeah, Fluffy's gonna get flushed. He's gonna sit right here. Maybe we'll flush him. Yeah, I see Fluffy right there. Why don't you go look at your little buddy in the toilet, huh? In the bathroom. Hey, don't get feisty. Don't get feisty. Ow! We're sorry for that interruption. What the heck is wrong with this now? Messed up. No, it didn't. Okay, now how do you go back? How do you go back? Let me just see it.